Hi children, now you want to open your English textbook page number 4. Teacher will read the story and you want to place your finger there while teacher reading. You place each finger in under each word and you read with me. Okay, don't want to read loudly, you just listen. After that you want to read the lesson 2 or 3 times, then you want to record the audio. Okay, teacher will start reading. The Magic Garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One day morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." Up to this much teacher will explain. After that you read it 3 or 4 times and record your audio and send to me. See children, do you like gardening? Do you have any garden at home? Flower garden or vegetable garden? Maybe you have a garden, flower garden. In the flower garden, you may have lots of plants, flowering plants or leafy plants. Like that, many plants will be there in the garden. And do you think these plants are happy? Are you thinking they are living things? They may be happy. They have some feels like that. So, do you think they will find happiness in their life? Definitely. After reading this chapter, you will understand they have a conversation between them. They will talk to each other. In the garden, many types of flowers will be there. In the garden, not only one plant, many plants will be there. Many flowers will be there. In that time, and birds also chirping in the morning. In the morning song, you have heard birds were making noise. They will sing songs. We will say birds chirping. Birds chirping. Okay, here the flowers are talking to each other. We can see which are the flowers and what they are talking. Okay, in you should be careful. In your garden also, flowers talk to each other. You can't hear them, but anyway they are talking to each other. You should listen them, or you want to give necessary things for them. What are the necessary things for the garden? You want to water the plants every day. When they are thirsty, you will understand their leaves will droop it. Okay, their leaves will be very droop in, and that time you want to pour water. Okay, then after giving water, after some time the leaves will be straight and they will be very happy that time. and they will talk to each other. That boy or that girl gave me some water, so I am very happy now. Now I am not tired. Like that they were talking. Okay, so in this story also, teacher will read, the magic garden was in a school playground. In our school also, we have some plants and not a big garden, we have a small garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. This is a magic garden. We are learning about a magic garden. This garden is in school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. See, it was very pretty. It is very beautiful. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. See, in that garden, sunflowers. Have you seen sunflower? Big yellow flowers that will turn to sun. When the sun is in east, that flower turns to east. When sun moves, according to that movement, this flower also moves. Flower is also moving. Okay, sunflower and roses stood high against the wall. Okay, that sunflower and these roses are there in the garden. There were also marigolds. Have you seen marigolds, children? This is the season for marigolds. Marigolds means some yellow or orange flowers with more petals. More petals will be there in the flower. And poppies and pansies, that are types of flowers. Many poppy plants in here we will call watery plants. Stem will be with the water, and maybe many colorful flowers will be there in the plant. These are poppy plants, and like that many pansies, that also type of flowers, that also there in the garden. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. See, the sunshine fell on this garden. Morning, it was morning. Sunshine fell on this garden more than any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. So that time flowers started singing song and they are very happy. They said to one another, we have hundreds of little gardeners. This garden is looked after by children. It is in the school playground. So children is taking care of these plants. So they were talking about these gardeners who will take care of the garden, that them we will call gardeners. So children are taking care of these plants. They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. These flowers were talking to the birds in the morning. I love all the children. That flowers are talking to birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. That time one poppy flower said to bird, I like dear ones, that is little children. I like them to bring their watering cans, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. See, plants will be very thirsty. That time you can find that leaves will be drooping, and they will be very tired. That time the roots are taking water from the mud. So from the soil, these roots will absorb the water. Their roots will take the water to the parts of the plant. So this time that not only boys, girls also water the plants. That time the thirsty roots, that roots are very thirsty, that time they will get the water. This is very happy. This time they were very happy. Thirsty roots. Yes, said the marigolds. That marigold also agree with the poppy. The boys are good as too. They dig the ground so well. They will dig the ground and they will give some manure. They will give some other things also. Then they will look after the garden. So they are very happy. Okay. Up to this much you want to read it.